What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to vlog my progress of today, and judging by the title, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Hang on, let me just figure out this aperture situation real quick. Oh, I've had quite the day. I've literally, so you guys, if you're in the US or wherever you are, Louis Vuitton had the new season release on November the 1st here in the US, and it is the Teddy collection, so the Shearling collection, and I've been trying to source this damn Bumbag all day freaking long. Actually, I started trying to source it on the weekend. It's like sold out in the whole entire country. The whole country. I looked at the UK, sold out. Only in stores. I called like 1,000,000,001 stores, sold out, sold out, sold out, sold out, sold out, sold out. I'm just like, somebody just sell me the bag, okay? So I've had the longest day. I have a massive headache. Yes, I know it's first world problems for sure, but I just really wanted this bag. So that's what I've been doing this whole day. What I will do is actually I will just add them here so you guys can see which bags I'm actually talking about if you don't even know anything I'm talking about right now. And in the collection, they have the Shearling, the Teddy Bumbag, the Speedy bag, the Teddy beach pouch, and then they have a Teddy on the go, and they also have two others. I don't actually remember what they're called, but these bags are new season, and I think they're going to be hot for winter slash early 2020 season, and I just really want to get my hands on it. So I've been trying the whole day. As I said, I've been ringing everybody that I know. My CA just couldn't find the bag anywhere. I called client services like 1,000,000,000 times. I started on Saturday, I think, and I think everybody basically just bought the bag in the pre-order. It's a limited collection or edition bag, right? So you just can't get hold of it, and I literally was so upset on Saturday that I crawled into bed and like just hid in my covers. I wish I was joking, but I'm not. So yeah, that's that. But I might have sourced the bag. Yeah. So I'm gonna end. Let's just talk a little bit about it. I will talk the price points up with you guys so you can kind of see different versions of the bag, the prices. I don't know where you can find them, so I'm not going to advise anything like that. However, I really just wanted to come here and just talk with you guys and just let you know about the bag that I'm trying to get myself. I think it's perfect. It's absolutely stunning, and if any of you do have this bag, then share it with me. Just, I don't know, just DM me pictures of your bag so I can be happy for you. Yeah. Stunning. Oh, the whole collection really is stunning, but it's so hard to get your hands on it. Honestly, I keep saying it, I've been doing it the whole day. This is a quick and short and snappy video. I just wanted to share with you the love of my life right now, and yeah, I just want to talk about it. I want to talk about it. I want to talk with somebody about this collection. Have you seen the collection? If you haven't seen the collection, then go and look at the collection. You know what's so crazy is that it's so limited that you can't actually search for the bags on the US site. I had to end up sourcing them on the UK site in order to get the product codes to find it on the US side, so which is just crazy and manic. But anyways, let me know what you guys think about the bag. Let's have a discussion in the comments down below, and stay tuned, there might be another video coming very soon. I'm so excited to show you guys. I did actually source the bag in the end. I literally sourced it like 10 minutes ago. So I'm very excited to share that with you guys. I didn't pick up my camera all day because I was literally just stressing to find, and I was calling everybody and their mother to find this bag, and I eventually did. So woohoo, props to me. Stay tuned, I will share that with you very, very soon, and we'll both be excited all together. So yeah.